Good evening and welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. Clicked on to long-range weather forecast discussion for September 30th through October 12th. The period for September 30th to October 4th features an amplified trough in the west central states that gradually progresses into the Mississippi Valley late in the period. A ridge is then forecast to build along the west coast. Some of the models forecast a trough just off the west coast. During this period, heavy precipitation is likely from the plains into the east as moisture pools along the frontal boundary. Temperatures are forecast average 10 to 15 degrees below normal from the interior west into the northern plains. The period October 3rd to the 7th still features this trough here in the west. We have above normal heights here over eastern Canada and the eastern U.S., and we have a trough here over Greenland. Now this is a GFS, and we're going to go forward in time. You can see that the flow starts to broaden, so we'll have below normal heights here, above normal heights here, and along the west coast. We have an area of strong positive height anomalies north of the Aleutians. And then we're going to go to the end of the period, and you can see that the GFS brings a trough into the eastern U.S., very strong height anomalies over Alaska, over eastern Canada, and the western U.S., but that's the only model that seems to do that, as the European ensembles have a trough here in the east, but above normal heights over eastern Canada and the northeast, and we have our above normal heights here and here. The area below normal heights over Greenland seems to weaken. And the Canadian ensembles has a broad flow, but also has above normal heights here and above normal heights over eastern North America. So during this forecast period, I am forecasting above normal temperatures for the west coast and the east coast states, nearby areas, and below normal temperatures here for precipitation. I'm forecasting below normal precipitation for this area, above normal precipitation for the areas east of the Mississippi River. The period October 8th to 12th. The models aren't in very good agreement during this period, and I'll show you why. As soon as this stop acting up, okay, I'm going to show you why. Now we're in the 8th. This is a GFS. The GFS has a broad trough across much of the nation, below normal heights here in the east, above normal heights still across Alaska and eastern Pacific, and we have an area above normal heights here. Okay. Then we look at the European ensembles. And we have our area above normal heights here and our trough across the area, but we have above normal heights across eastern Canada and the northeast. And we go to the Canadian ensembles and has above normal heights here and here, but has a trough further back into the plains, the center of the nation. So you can see that they're kind of split. But for this forecast period, I'm forecasting above normal temperatures here and here, going with the other models here, and below normal heights across this region. And for precipitation, I'm forecasting below normal precipitation for the western states, above normal precipitation for this region. So that is the long-range weather forecast discussion for September 30th through October 12th. Thank you for coming to Jim Munley's World of Weather, and have a good day.